Welcome back, Engineer Amal YouTube channel. Today we making Enthiran movie 3 robot characters. This is the project full detail information PDF. This is a connection diagram. This is the source code. Here setting model is GPT 4.0 Mini. Platform is OpenAI. Here setting token 300. This is the system prompt section. Here is setting Chitti 1.0 and Chitti 2.0 and Nila robot. This system prompt section is the main function of creating character. To copy the source code, then to open Arduino IDE software and copy paste here. To correctly select this ESP32 model, to correctly select common port 4, to correctly here set your Wi-Fi SSID name. Then here set your Wi-Fi password. To copy ESP32 AI Connect library, to click library section. To copy paste here, you can see ESP32 AI Connect library to install. I already installed, so no show install option. Then after here set your Open AI API key. Go to search Google Open AI API key. To click Open AI API, then sign. To continue Google account, click here. To click create API key, then click create new API key. Here enter your project name. Then create your API key, click here. Then successfully your API key create. To copy the API key, to correctly copy paste here. The OpenAI API key successfully copy paste. Then to compile the source code, to click successfully compiled the source code. Then after to connect ESP32 in computer, you can see the green light. Then after upload your source code in ESP32. The source code is uploading. The source code is successfully upload. To open the serial monitor, here enter you can any question. I first enter hi message. The Chitti 1.0 message you can see the response. Next I question who are you? Guys, you can see the response. I am Chitti 1.0. The message is so clearly. Next question. Who is create you? I am was created by Dr. Vasigaran. Oh, it's really work. The response is correct answer. This question you can question for Chitti 2.0 and Nila robot is really work. The response message is so clearly filter. So response message you can clearly view. The button press you can change any character easily. The select character you can view OLED display. I said Chitti 1.0. I question who are you? You can see and response answer. I am Chitti 1.0. Next I question who is create you? I was created by Dr. Vasi. They really work. And the next question, what is your mission? My mission is the so clear is working. As I said, Chitti 2.0 activate high and high. They clearly work, but no more emotional. Next question is who are you? You can see I am Chitti 2.0 is clearly work. Next, who is create you? I was created by Dr. Vasigandran. Is clearly work. Next question is What is your real mission? We can see the response message is clearly work. Next we checking Nila robot. Nila character is activate. You can see serial monitor. High question. Hi. The response message you can see is clearly work. Next question. Who are you? I am Nila is clearly work. Next question. What is your mission? I enter the question. You can see the response message is clearly work. Not bad. Next question I entering. Who is create you? I was created by daughter Vasigandran. The answer is correct. Is clearly work. If you like my video, don't miss my channel. Like and subscribe. You can enter any question. My last question. Goodbye. Goodbye. The thing is, you can see the message is clearly work. Not bad. Next question I enter mathematical question on +3. 1 plus 3 is 4. You can see the answer. Next smart video is coming soon. So don't miss my channel. Like and subscribe.